How to remove status from WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your WhatsApp status. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the update section, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And once you are in your update section, simply tap on your profile picture to view your status update. Now again, tap on your profile picture, and once you are inside the status, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply select delete to permanently remove the status, and a confirmation message will pop up. From that message, simply tap on delete, and that's it. Now your status is gone. And that's how you can delete or remove your status from WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.